It was probably around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, and Stephen likes to snore a lot. I looked over and he had vomit in his mouth. I'm CPR trained because I worked with kids in New York, so we get him off the bed. I start CPR. The ambulance comes, and when we found out, he flatlined for 10 minutes. Dr. Baswa was our doctor there, and I'll be very honest, I was like, okay, I'm gonna, maybe we need to put him in a neurology hospital. He told me, you know what, give me a chance. On May 8th, I get a phone call that Stephen woke up. So they get him over to the PCU, and that's where Ellie and Tara come in, do PT and OT. They will come every day, and they will do their exercises, make him walk, sit on a chair. They were very good. Stephen was out of AdventHealth of Connerton by June. It took him less than a month for him to be able to go into rehabilitation. That's how good they were. But it was a miracle. It was like the doctors could not believe it. They couldn't believe it. So it was a real miracle. But it was a testament to his good care. Thank you for everything you've done. I mean, if it wasn't for you, my husband wouldn't be standing here. There's no amount of gratitude that I have for them. I would definitely say you have a great staff there, and just keep doing what you're doing.